Hello everyone, and welcome back to the HrFlow.ai platform. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to set up a forward source to send resumes from your mailbox to HrFlow.ai. Many recruiters receive resumes through email on a daily basis, but usually don't have an easy way to integrate them into their HR tool. This is why HrFlow.ai has put in place the forward source that simplifies this whole process. To set up your forward source, just follow the next steps. On the HrFlow.ai platform, go to the Sources section and click on Create Source. You will be then redirected to the Sources Marketplace. Under Email category, choose Forward Source. And when the pop-up window appears, click on Create Source. Now type in a recognizable source name that you can easily remember. If you wish to send a standard confirmation email to the candidates after they drop their resume, check the Apply Notification switch. You can also make your source private if you don't want other teammates to have access to it. Finally, you can add other teammates as source managers so they manage the source with you. Once you finish, click on Create Source to confirm. Congratulations! Your forward source has been created successfully. In the Overview tab, you will find your source key, which identifies your source if you want to use HrFlow.ai API. You will also find a unique email address generated for your source. To add a new resume to your source, all you have to do is send it as an attachment to this generated email address. Let's do a quick test to see how it works. First, we copy the generated email address, then we attach our resume. Then we send the email. Note that you can send multiple resumes at the same time. As you can see, our resume has been successfully parsed and added to our forward source. This concludes our tutorial for today. I hope you found it useful. As always, all relevant resources are in the video description. You can also leave your questions in the comment section and we'll get back to you. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get the latest HrFlow.ai tutorials. See you in the next video.